Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and I recently had to top up my bushcraft cooking kit, and what I use is Hammaro. That's how you say it. I use this tinder paper. It's waxed pulp paper. I'll put all the information on the screen for you. Basically, I bought this from Born Survivor UK. I use this in my cook kits. I take a sliver of it off, and then I put it next to my chopping board because it's non-toxic. And nice and flat, fits in there, and you get a load in there. So I figured I'd show you guys how this works, and you know what I use basically. It's not a new product, but it is a good one, you know, because of how packable it is. I've seen a lot of people put it in metal tins and light the tin like that. I think it's live fire, I think something like that. Those little metal slidey tins, you know, you could put this stuff in that. But let me just show you a quick demonstration of this. Just one quick one before we start is a quick tip is always keep your back from the wind. So the wind's coming this way, I have my back to it, which stops a lot of stuff blowing away if you're doing like you know, something light and fibrous, say like, you know, a charcloth or a kapuk or something like that. It stops it from blowing away. Magnesium shaving is another one that blows away easy. Just keep your back to it so you're kind of blocking the wind out. Just another quick tip that I don't see many people doing. Alright, so here we are. I'm just going to open this up, just take out a little bit. I don't need all this, just a little bit just to show you guys. Right, and as you can see here, even just ripping it off, you have a lot of fiber there to work with. Very easy. It kind of reminds me of ProCam Tech fire plugs, but flat basically, as in when it comes to fibrous stuff. So I'll just put my knife away because I'm not going to need that. Ferro what I'm using is a Überleben with some tape on the end of it there for a handle and a nice striker. So I'm actually gonna rip this again because I don't want to use that quite yet. So here you are, open it up. Actually, I'll just even use that, that'll be plenty. I'm gonna put my ferro on it because the wind's coming from every which way now, and then just scrape this down. There you go, that's lit. And to be honest, I didn't even fluff it up. So again, this is just a piece that we just folded in half. This time I'm just going to fluff a little bit. What? Oops. There you go. Okay, great stuff. I mean, like I said, non-toxic. You do get quite a lot, and it just works well. But to me, it's because you get so much of it, and it's flat packed. Again, you can just chuck it in different parts of your bag, drip off a bit of it, and just put it somewhere. There you go. It's lit, and then these are the bits we were using before. You see how quick that lit, and there you go. So, like I said, this stuff works really great. So that's a quick demo of this fire paper. I like it. Again, I use it, so I just figured I'd share with you guys some tips and just how it works regularly. I did look at some other videos. I haven't seen too many videos on this one or people using it correctly, but hope I was able to show you how to use it well. Again, I bought it from Born Survivor UK. If you can help the video out, guys, please share, like, subscribe. YouTube's really hammering me at the moment. Nothing's moving at the moment, and I'm not getting promoted at all. But if you can, just share it to a group or whatever, you know, on Facebook, bushcraft, whatever. Just help me out a little bit. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.